Hello guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, March the 25th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 2-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic with, I don't know how many stars, but this one will be number 6173. 6173. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, 10 printed digits. 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. No stars, so I do not know. I think it's a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, dual boxes. Do we have here a dual box? Here, a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple. Here we have a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? I see a quadra box. Quadra box in the L shape. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is this box, the inside box is always a 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, we have here this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. This box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 then. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. Only 1 L shape. Then the following shape. How about the T shape then? Let me draw the T shape here. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember. Yeah. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. And it's also connected with that box, so 3. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Oh, the L shape. Let me draw this. Almost forget. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, if only 4. Excuse me. The cough. Alright. So let's get started. Wow. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left. For the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left. 3 to 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be 2. Can it be 1? Should be 2. Can be 3? Can be 4? Can be 5? Definitely 2. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Now we have 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 2. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box can be 2. This box, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and 5, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there in this W area shape. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. Let me mark those, 4 and 5. I think this box should be 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. That means that I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. Oh, of course, it can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 4 anymore. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Not a solution, place the 4 there, the 4 is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3. That means that this box can be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 1, that means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, this box should be a 4. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. So we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.